So first I have already imported the package, which is the Playwright test. I have already explained in my previous videos. If you are new on my channel or you haven't watched previous video, please go ahead and watch it. It will helpful for you. So this is the import, and here I'm just to import the package, and after that the test block, line number 2, test block. So inside this test block, like test function, here in this quotation, this add Samsung, this is a module name, asynchronous and page fixture. So I have already explained each and everything. So now line number 7, so this is a page URL. After that write the page URL, because which application or you want to test, so that we need to specify. So page.goto URL, provide the URL, like page.goto function. Inside we need to provide the URL. So this is a URL of the application. So I'm talking about this demoblaze.com. This is the application I want to test today. And once provide the URL of the application, after that here let me show you, click on the login, because I have already, so click on the login. Once click on the login link, it will appear one this kind of window, or pop up this window, and here you can see the user and password. So in this text, in input box or text box, we need to provide the data or username and then password, and click on the login. Once everything is successfully done, so we are able to click on the login, and once it will, because it is showing I did not provide anything in this input box, so that's why. So once it will log in, the username will show up here. Instead of showing the sign up, it will show the username, and once username will show up here, it will able to, like it will log out. So that's a simple application we need to test. So first take the login, inspect the login, and you can see here it's a link. So ID is login to. So first we need to check it, this is the unique locator of this element or not. So Control F to, you can see match 1. That means it's a unique locator of this login element. So here I'm just going to provide the page.click, because I will click on this login, then this window will pop up. So here I'm using the click function. So click and provide the locator of this login. So it's a ID and then login 2 is a locator. And after that await, which is a keyword. Always we have to write the keyword like await. If we are writing the page, we need to write the await keyword. So that means it's wait for the element. So page dot wait for selector. So means simply idea of this page dot wait for selector function, that if web page is not loading intensely, so sometime button, text, images take time to appear. So this function tells to Playwright, wait here until this element is available, then continue. So I mean, we can write the page is like we have always write the page dot locator or something. So wait for selector, that element you are waiting for the login button or text box, like that. So without wait for selector, Playwright might try to click before the button loads, causing error. Sometimes it's giving the error. So that's a reason I'm writing here the page wait for selector. So after that you can see, so page dot wait for selector, here I'm providing the username. So user locator I'm just providing here. So let me open this application and just, so this is the user input box. You can see here the ID is login username. So this locator I'm providing here. If you want, you can check it in the this here like, and you can see 1 of 1. So this is the search box. There you can provide the locator and it will show you how many elements are matching in this DOM. So 1 of 1, it's only the unique locator of this element. So now let me open the Visual Studio, and because we want to appear that input box, so that's why wait for a selector I'm just providing here the locator of that element, and here page.fill method I'm using. So here right now you can see this is a locator of the username, which is this input box, and providing here I'm providing here the data of that input box. So let me show you, this is the data of the input box, and after that again writing the fill method, which is the password. So in this text box, first we need to inspect the locator of this text box. So you can see here input type password, class is this, and ID is login password. So this ID I want to copy and just check one time in this search, that Control V and search box, that it is a unique locator of this element or not. So yes, it is, because it's 1 of 1, only one element is matching for this locator. So after that go in the Visual Studio and just write the fill method, and this is the locator of the password, and here I'm just providing the data of that input box, like password input box. And once here I'm just providing the value or data of that input box, and after that click on the login. So first inspect in the login, and you can see here button, this is a button on click. So I'm just going to write the XPath of that. So first need to check on the Control V. I think I did not capture it, so just select, I think here, copy XPath, and just, so this is the XPath, but I have written my own XPath. I have written that this one. So page.click function, and inside there I have written my own XPath, and after that once click on this login, it will the username will show up here like welcome, and this is the username, and once it will show up, after that it should log out. So just inspect the logout. So this is the logout, and you can see logout is a link, and here I'm able to see class, href, and then ID is logout 2. So if you want to check, this is a unique locator, so Control F, so just check in the search. So you can see one match. So here I am writing here like here I'm just verifying that this logout button should be visible. So that means once everything is like a login, provide the username, password, click on the login button. After that it will show up here the username, and then this logout button should be visible. So just I'm here, using the expect function or validate here that login logout button should be logout button should be visible. So for that, here I'm writing the expect function page.locator of that logout button, so which I have already copied this one. Logout id is logout. So here you can see logout2. I'm just providing here the logout2 and is visible. This is a function. So now run this scripts and let's see what is the output. First we need to save everything, otherwise it won't be reflect anything. Okay, npx playwright, just provide the npx playwright test, test, and after that recording, it's my file name, .spec.js hyphen headed, and then hyphen port is equal to not port, project is equal to chromium. Sometimes I'm saying the chrome, but it's here in playwright it's a chromium. Okay, and now enter. What's going on? Just run the scripts and it's passed. You can see something got failed. Okay, let's see what is the issue. Await expect page.locator is visible. Okay, so now the script is failed here, but let's see the screenshot. We can see the screenshot. So it's failed on this moment, so now it's not further executed, so that's why it's took the screenshot here, and this is the video. You can see it's stopped here. So just open the Visual Studio and it's failed here, line number 17. So it is saying that here it is failing here. That means is visible. So this function is not working, so I have to just go with the to be visible. Let's see, to be visible, and then like this, and Control S to save everything, and just open the new terminal, provide the command and enter. Like click on the run, and then now it's passed. This time it's passed. You can see running one test using one worker, and if you want to see the report, you can just provide this command or open this command in the terminal, and then it will open the report. And now this time it is asking for the port number, different port number, so provide the different port number. I'm just providing, it's 9323, I'm just providing 9324. So, and let's see, it's open, and now you can see here it's showing the pass and everything, like steps you can see here. Now you can see their username, welcome, and this is a username, and after that you will able to see the video, and then yeah, it's pass. Everything is working fine. And if you want to see this screenshot where it's capture and video, so you can go in this test result. It will by default capture all the screenshot. You can see here, click, you can see the screenshot here, and this is the video.webm. So video.webm. So here you can see the video. And one more thing I would like to say, like when you write the playwright.config.us file, when you open the config.us file, config.js file, not us, sorry, js file. So here you can see the screenshot on and video on. I have already written in the initially when I started this series. So whenever you will write the screenshot and video, you should write S with the lowercase and V with the lowercase. If you write here V, suppose you by mistake you wrote here like video is it's not a caps, it's a caps lock, not in a lower, so it won't be work in the it won't capture the video. So make sure, if you want I can show you, like just open this one. First we need to save it and recording in this, and now I have to open the terminal, new terminal, provide the command, not this one, playwright test and recording .spec.js and hyphen headed and hyphen project is equal to chromium, and then execute the test, and you can see everything is captured. And if you want to see the report, you can see it. I think port number should be different, so hyphen port as like 4000, and now it's open. You can see here see it's not recorded any steps. Video is not here. You can see if I'll open this Visual Studio Code and click on this test-result, here I